You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
So you joined me on this morning's run, steady, easy, on the gravel roads at the cottage, as you could have guessed. And this time, only a couple of deer flies for company, but they're still around. Hey, let's start from the beginning, because I really want to say, hope you're all doing well, hope your running's going well, hope you're doing well, all your friends and family, health-wise as well, everything about the current situation. And yeah, just wanted to say hello, kind of. I never get to interact personally, direct face-to-face with you, so just wanted to put this little message out there and address you.
No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn.
Not sure if I mentioned it, but this week is actually kind of a bit of a down week. And you know, we build 3 weeks, take 1 week rest, and then this week is the easy week. So it's only easy runs, but those easy runs, we have a little bit of variety within them. Do strides a few times, and like today, I'm doing steady easy, not just like super easy. And yesterday was like super easy. So even though you have easy runs or easy week, I think a little bit of variety within those easy runs will help you. Take into consideration that also, it can also be easy run on hilly route, easy run on flat route, and then also, well, that's probably about it. Actually, that's not it, because it's also about the surface in a way that your feet are in. So the shoes, you can mix it up, having different shoes for different days. So post run now, and we've come to the forest, and yeah, I did steady easy kind of 15 kilometers. It was so good. As I said, different types of easy running is really good, and this one, I guess steady easy, it's like the top of easy, kind of at top end of easy, so just below zone 3. And then also, oh, there we go, mosquito bite. And yeah, it was on the hills as well, so that was really nice to be going up and down all the time. And as you can see now, we've come to the forest to find some food because we're hungry, finding some mushrooms, but my knowledge isn't super great. So luckily enough, we're with 2 Finnish people who can help. I only know 2 or 3, but there's a lot of mushrooms out there, and you've got to be careful with some of them because they're poisonous, obviously. And we just saw a poisonous snake, the kuu, which is the only poison. Well, there's 2 snakes apparently in Finland, and we just saw the poisonous one. So also got to be careful that we don't disturb any of them as well. Okay, just being corrected, there's more than 2 snakes apparently. Well, not 2 snakes total, but 2 different types of snakes, species-wise. And there's always blueberries. It's a little bit of a snack whilst we're trying to find those mushrooms. It's kind of funny, it's like the circle of life, isn't it? We're in the forest looking for food, and we are also food for all these little insects that are flying around me and trying to get some of my blood. There's that. As you can see, back at the cottage, it's a hive of action of food. The mushrooms we've picked are being cut up and we'll probably have that dinner tonight. And there's some nice cinnamon rolls that Emma's mum's making as well. But we decided to have a sauna, so I need to chop a little bit of small wood and yeah, make the fire, I guess. So there you go, really nice morning run and rounding out the day with some pretty relaxing activities. Playing croquet in the evening in the cottage garden, and I've already run twice. Not run twice, I've only run once actually today, and yeah, I mean, enjoy these few clips and thanks for watching the video, really do appreciate it.